Welcoming you all in the next activity class. The chapter From Tasting to Digesting gives us an insight into the role of glucose in our body. When we eat food, our body breaks down that food into sugar. This simple sugar is known as glucose, or you may also refer it to as blood sugar. It acts as a fuel for our body and provides instant energy. Glucose is carried to our body cells through bloodstream. Our body produces glucose from the foods that contain carbohydrates, such as rice, bread, dairy products, fruits, and vegetables. We need to maintain the blood sugar level in our body. But when we experience vomiting and diarrhea, our body loses a lot of water content along with salt and sugar. There comes a need to replenish this loss. It can be done by having oral rehydration solutions, which you commonly know as ORS. ORS is WHO recommended and comes in various flavors. It contains glucose along with sodium and potassium, which cures dehydration and replaces the loss of fluids from our body. You can also make a substitute for it at home. Let me tell you how. For this, I have taken a glass of clean water. This water was first boiled and then cooled down. In this clean water, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Just stir it well till the sugar gets dissolved. Now this same solution you can prepare in 1 liter quantity. For this I have taken again clean water, boiled and cooled down water. This is 1 liter of water, and then I am going to add 5 teaspoons of sugar in this. And here I will be adding half a teaspoon of salt. You are again going to stir it well till the sugar gets dissolved and drink it sip by sip. Just take care that these two things are mixed in the correct proportion. But take a note, if the body is still maintaining low blood sugar or glucose levels, there is an immediate need to visit a doctor for glucose intravenous infusion. It quickly increases the amount of glucose in your body as it goes directly into the veins. We may also consume glucose or glucose drink when we feel dehydrated, especially during the summer season or when we undergo sweating due to physical activity. That's the reason why sportsmen consume glucose. It gives the required energy to go ahead and the water to keep the body hydrated. It's quite simple to make this drink. Let's see how. It is a glass of chilled water and 2 teaspoons full of Glucon-D. Just mix it well and enjoy your refreshing drink.